All right.
It's quite funny because Dawn, I think that is gonna be gone.
I know. I heard you the first time.
I know you did. But I just and the second time and the third right now.
All right, everybody ready? Okay.
Yes, we're ready.
So, again, I do not have your papers today, and I'll do my best to get them in before Friday, so you at least have some prep time. Okay, so I need everybody to look at the calendar. We're going to go over the calendar first for the next 3 weeks. All right, so today we're going to prep a little bit for what's coming up for the next 3 weeks. So we're going to talk about Anthem, and we're going to do, I don't know, I'm going to tell you about the benchmark and some other things. So Thursday, you can see the little blue card up there that says that you're taking the benchmark. Let me cover that real quick. Okay. Tell me where's the optimal spot to stand when I get there. Okay, hold on. So one of my pet peeves about the benchmark is that there are like lots of pieces of paper made worse this year by other problems. Okay, so you're gonna have your Scantron. You're gonna have this green thing, which is where you're supposed to write your essay, and you need to put my name and your name on here. Huh? Okay. And then you're gonna get one of these that has the cover sheet on it, and you're gonna put your name on it, and you're going to, you can write in this one, because you're putting your name on it. But here's the thing. So as I started, we can't see them until the day or so before you take it, because they're afraid we're gonna give you a bunch of hints or something, I guess. So when I was going over it yesterday morning, I was like, well, that's a weird space. See the space?
Yeah.
I was like, that's a weird space. Oh well, they'll figure it out. So then I get over here, and like question number 2 is right here at the bottom of the page, and the answers for question number 2 are right here. I'm like, well, that's troublesome, but you'll figure it out. So then I keep going. There are 2 passages on here. So there's revising and editing, and then there's a connecting passage. By the way, this is the hardest connecting passage I've ever seen on STAR, except for last year's. So the one last year's I'm pretty sure will be on your mock. So then I get over here to the questions. And right underneath this it says, read the following dictionary entry. There's this white space right here. And then you're supposed to pick which one is the right one.
Oh.
And then it says right here, read these quotations and follow the directions, but there are no quotations.
So you get to skip that.
And on the very back where the prompt is, there's read the quote in the box below. Problems. So I keep in mind there's one of these for every person in the 10th grade, so roughly 370 something of them. And they couldn't possibly recopy them all by today, which is when most of the 10th grade is starting their benchmark. So what we decided to do is to make a class set. So it looks like this. So where the picture's actually on here and the box is actually on here. So you have a class set, but you can't write on this one. This one's just for you to see the things that are missing from the other one.
That's silly.
So on your desk, taking this benchmark, you're gonna have the cheater beater. You're gonna have a dictionary. You're gonna have the one that you can't write on, and then you're gonna have the one that you can write on, and then you're gonna have your Scantron, and you're gonna have your thing that you write your essay on, and if you want scratch paper, Ms. Duffy's gonna provide that for you too. That's a lot of stuff
Yes.
on one desk. Pause.